Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best acrylic tub repair is probably one of the most essential tools for any homeowner with an acrylic bathtub. These kits offer a cost-effective solution to fix unsightly scratches, chips, and other damages, restoring the tub's original appearance. With a good repair kit, you can easily address imperfections, preventing further damage and saving money compared to replacing the entire tub. It's a simple way to maintain the beauty and functionality of your bathroom. Number 5. Color Match Tub, Tile and Shower Repair Kit. This repair kit is designed to fix imperfections on various surfaces. It effectively addresses chips, scratches, dents, and holes, restoring the original look. It works on multiple materials. The kit offers a perfect color match for different shades. It seamlessly blends with the existing surface, leaving no trace of the repair. You don't need to apply extra paint. The product is safe for use around children and pets. It utilizes nanotechnology, ensuring a safe and odorless experience during application. The kit provides a strong bond in a few simple steps. It's water-resistant and effectively prevents leaks, ensuring long-lasting results. If you are not satisfied with the product, please contact our after-sales service. They will promptly provide a solution to address your concerns. What we like. This kit offers a perfect color match, ensuring your repair blends seamlessly with your existing tub. It's also odorless, so you won't have to deal with harsh fumes during application. If you're looking for a long-lasting solution that's easy to use and provides a professional finish, this is the one for you. What people say. The product fixed the crack and without any trace. The application set was provided in the package and easy to use and apply the materials. The result was unexpected and satisfactory. Number 4. Ankita Porcelain Repair Kit. Is your sink chipped or cracked? This kit is designed to fix it. It's easy to use and will restore the glossy finish, making it look brand new. This repair kit effectively stops leaks and creates a high-gloss finish. The result is chip-resistant, waterproof, and durable. You'll be amazed at how well it works. The kit cures to a glass-hard finish that's also heat-resistant. You won't have to worry about the sink cracking due to temperature changes. It won't peel or yellow over time. The kit bonds firmly to the surface, creating a seamless, long-lasting finish. It forms a protective layer that resists scratches, chips, and rust. It's built to last. You don't need any special skills to use this kit. It's very easy to apply and clean, and it dries quickly. It's water and heat resistant, saving you money on expensive repairs. We want you to be happy with the results. If you're not satisfied, we'll make it right, either by resupplying the product or refunding your order. Try it risk-free. What we like. This kit restores a high-gloss finish, making your sink look brand new. It's also scratch, chip, and rust resistant, ensuring a durable repair. If you like a product that is easy to apply and clean, and want a long-lasting, glossy finish, you should consider this. What people say. Worked great. Fixed a coffee handle. Survived dishwasher many times. This is easy to work with. Sanding after it dries to smooth it out leaves a nice finish. Use a fine-grade wet sanding. This product is pretty amazing. I used it to repair my acrylic shower floor which was burned by my bath fan catching fire. The results were great. Once dry, this product blended well with the acrylic, even keeping the shine. Number 3. Fiberglass and Porcelain Tub Repair Kit. Is your bathtub cracked or chipped? This kit has the power to restore it. It can fix any damage on your bathtub. Don't spend a fortune on repair shops. This kit is a must-have for every household. It's the best option for fixing your bathtub. Getting professional results has never been easier. This kit provides a high-quality finish. You don't need to call a repairman. Use this kit to treat and restore tiles, bathtubs, and even countertops. It contains a high-quality refinishing agent that is easy to apply and dries fast. It will restore your bathroom's former glory. This product comes with a free ebook. It contains expert tips and step-by-step instructions. You will learn how to restore your bathroom surfaces. What we like. This kit is designed for versatile repair, working on various materials like fiberglass, acrylic, and porcelain. It's easy to apply, saving you time and effort. If you have multiple surfaces to repair and want a comprehensive solution with expert tips, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Equal parts mix well, dry and sand. The repair kit was easy to use. This product works for repairing color shades on bathroom tubs and sinks after patching or repairing them. Number 2. Endhokn White Bath Repair Kit. This enamel repair kit is designed to fix cracks, holes, and scratches in porcelain sinks. It's a 1:1 mix of 2 components, and it comes with auxiliary tools. This kit is perfect for restoring your sink to its original condition. Don't let a broken shower tray ruin your day. This repair kit is waterproof and resistant to running water when completely dry. It's designed to fix chips, cracks, and damage to your shower base. Repairing cracks in your ceramic sink is now easier than ever. This white repair kit is designed to fix cracks and holes in your sink. It is a great solution for countertop repairs. Get a professional quality repair for your damaged tub. This acrylic bath repair kit is easy to apply and dries quickly. It provides a smooth, delicate finish, making it look brand new. Whether it's holes in acrylic or porcelain tubs, cracks in enamel, or scratches in tile, this kit is a premium choice. It saves you time, effort, and money. It is a versatile solution for all your repair needs. What we like. This kit features a convenient tubular design for easy mixing and application. It's also waterproof once dry, ensuring a durable repair. If you are looking for a simple, effective solution to fix cracks, holes, and scratches, this is the one for you. What people say. They provided all the necessary tools for a smooth install and final results was amazing. The tub looked brand new. It's very thick and durable and still looks perfect after 1 year. Great product that holds a strong bond that lasts. I used on both my tub and a tank outside. Cures hard and is very strong. Super easy to use, perfect finish, and hardens quickly but not so quickly that it is difficult to touch up. After sanding, it is so smooth. Once painted over, no one will even know it was done. We'll update on durability once it's had time to prove itself. Number 1. Tub and Shower Repair Kit, White. Is your tub or shower looking worse for wear? This repair kit is the perfect solution. It's designed to fix cracks and chips, restoring the look of your bathroom. Don't replace your entire tub or shower. This kit provides everything you need for a simple, effective repair. It's easy to use and provides professional-looking results. The kit comes in a clean white finish, blending seamlessly with most bathroom fixtures. It's a quick and affordable way to refresh your space. This repair kit offers a durable and long-lasting fix. It's designed to withstand daily use and maintain its appearance over time. Avoid costly replacements with this repair kit. It's a cost-effective way to maintain the beauty and functionality of your tub and shower. What we like. This kit provides a simple solution for repairing your tub and shower. It is easy to use and provides a clean white finish. If you want a quick and easy fix for your tub and shower, this is the one for you. What people say. Great value, easy to use, the look and the size was easy to store. It's been a month since use. The quality is amazing. I have used this a few times and it works very well. The instructions were helpful and the process was quite easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.